just came on here to just say that, baby, y'all be sleep on your girl. Yep, y'all be sleep. Stop playing with me. Ooh. Y'all be sleep. Wake up.
Wake up.
And my sister's voice stop playing.
Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to introduce for the very first time in history, Mr. and Mrs. Levon Matthews.
That's how this works. I put you first. You twist and you turn.
Oh, look at him.
You control.
Say hi. Today we are painting pumpkins or balls. Here's the big one. Yeah. You can't pick that up. You shouldn't pick that up. That's not a good idea. No, Papa. No, Papa. No, Papa. Okay, I got it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I put Bryson an old shirt on, so. Because you know how that may turn out. Let's get the paint. What color do you want to do? Get you a color. Any color? No, please don't eat it. That's not good. That's not good. Scooch y'all back so y'all can see. Scooch y'all. Y'all can see. Orange? The pumpkin is already orange? You want to see orange one? What about? Which one? that one back. You have a brush? Want that one brush? That's brush. So, you know how to do it, baby. Just get a little bit. Here, like this one. Just get a little bit, okay? Put it on there. Ooh. Oh my goodness. That's so good. That is a good. That's a different color. You gonna mix them together? Let's see if I can get a big brush. How we gonna do this? I'm glad to. Can we paint the pumpkin and not yourself, please? Oh gosh. Ooh. Sir, no. You want to paint yourself or the pumpkin? The pumpkin? Look. 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth. Look at this. Do you see him? You see his face? Here. Paint him. Yeah, it didn't work out. Ah! Well, try to get a handprint. It did not work out. Red. Let me see. That one's empty. Here, let's get red. Let's get red. Oh, ooh. Put it right here. Put it right there in the pumpkin. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I like that one. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Look. Oh, that's nice. Here, you want to use that one? Here. Put it over there. Paint the pumpkin. Don't touch it, please. Paint the pumpkin. Get a little bit in here. It's pretty nice. It's pretty messy. Oh, we gotta go. Well, we gotta go pick up Renaya from school. Well, I gotta take him a bath. Then go pick up Renaya from school. He just wiped it on the shirt, child. And then we'll come back and show y'all our lovely pumpkins. Right? Say yes. Say yes. Oh, that's nice. That's a good pumpkin. Just mixing it all in. Oh, yeah. That's cute. Okay. All right. So gotta go. Here it is, you guys. That one little wet spot. Here it is. That's our pumpkins. The pumpkins. Where's the boy? Ooh. Anyway, our pumpkins, you guys. Yay. Look at that big boy. He's a big boy. Yes, it's a new day. I don't know what time it is. 1:40. I'm so this. It's 1:24. And I haven't been really doing his letters because, you know, he had to really pretty much down pack. So I'm just gonna, you know, do some brain refreshers. And also, my boy know how to talk way more now. So I think if I just start doing the letters now, he'll be able to like actually say them, some of them, because he just be like I, S, H. He just be calling out letters, but we'll see. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hi. I know. Hold on. You wanna come? You wanna come do some letters? Hi. Get the letter. Get the letter O. The letter O. That's the S. Good job. Get the letter O. Give it to me. Give me the O. Give it to me. The letter D. What sound does that make? D. Yeah. That's yeah. Oh. It's the letter D. Good job. So awesome. Aw. You have to get up. Oh. Somebody help me. I'm getting attacked by a baby. Hi. Okay. Say hi. Say hi. What? Okay. We're gonna try this cauliflower pizza for Bryson. I'm just gonna open it and cut it and then warm up a little piece of it. Okay. Sit down. Very special circle time. Are you ready to have some fun? Oh, I can't hear you. I can't stand. Okay, this is the food. This is how many pieces we got on the floor. This is how many pieces, one piece in there. So you did pretty good. It was good. Was the food good? You really be being bad. He always take my leaves away. Got your dinosaurs and your ball. Hi. What are you doing? You driving your car? Say duck. Okay, you guys. We is gonna end the vlog here. I heard Jack Dub. Look at this. What I want to say. Oh yeah, that's it. That's all. Like, comment, subscribe, because I'm a vibe. You know, my little. Anyway, alright, we out. I love it when you come in big pop.
Baby, baby.